How to get Costco digital membership card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over how to download the Costco digital membership card. Okay, so first of all, if you want to have the digital membership card, you have to download the Costco app. So whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, just go into your App Store or Play Store and just type in Costco and then install the Costco app. Just make sure it's the legitimate Costco app. It should have about 10 million downloads and 260K reviews. That should be the legit one. And all you have to do is click install. All right, now we're inside the Costco app. So to get your digital membership card, you want to go to the bottom of the app where you see all the icons and you want to press the account, which is right in the middle. And then you will want to sign in or create an account. So if you don't already have a Costco account, you got to create one. So I already have a Costco account, so I'm going to enter that information. So because my Costco membership is already attached to a Costco account, I will not have to go through a verification phase. So this portion I will not be able to show you guys. But just remember that only one Costco membership can be attached to one single Costco account, okay? Once you have been verified, this is the digital membership card that you'll see. Every time you want to access this, just go to the bottom of the app where it says account right in the middle and click that, and then your digital membership card will pop up. I had to actually take a photo of it with a different phone because the Costco app doesn't allow you to screenshot or take screen recording because they don't want you sharing your membership with other people. On the top right is your QR code to scan, and on the top left is where your picture will be with your membership number. That's all for today. If you guys found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.